Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video, we'll just talk about Instagram in general. We will talk about the false beliefs that so many people have when they start on Instagram. Because look, if you start on Instagram, you have false beliefs, then you will maybe not reach your goals. And in this video, I just want to remove all your false beliefs so that you can get started on Instagram without having any objections, any false beliefs. Because if you have false beliefs, and if you subconsciously don't believe that it is possible to make money with Instagram, then you will not make any money. So you 100% have to believe into Instagram and into this opportunity if you want to make money with it. So that's why I'm telling you, and that's why we will talk about some stuff, because so many people start on Instagram and think, for example, oh, I need my own product to make money with Instagram. Because look, for example, when I 3 years ago I started my Instagram account, and I had it took me 8 months to get the first 10,000 followers. And while that time I didn't make any money. Why? Because I had false beliefs. I thought that I need my own product to make money with Instagram. But then one day I realized I can just do affiliate marketing. And then I started doing affiliate marketing. I started just selling someone else's product and I started making money with it. Bing, bang, boom. And then I realized, wow, I don't even need my own product to make money with Instagram, right? So lesson number 1 is you don't need your own product to make money with Instagram. You can just do affiliate marketing. You can sell someone else's product. You can also sell coaching calls. You can do one-on-one mentorings. You can sell a service. It doesn't matter, okay? You can make money with Instagram without having your own product. If you have your own product, no problem. That's amazing. You can make money with it too. Then lesson number 2 is, second thing is, so many people think that they need to show their face to make money with Instagram, okay? I had that false belief too at the beginning. I thought I need my own product and I thought that I need to show myself to make money with Instagram. But I was wrong. What I did when I first started my Instagram account, when I started affiliate marketing, is I just posted someone else's stories, okay? I did affiliate marketing for Tai Lopez, right? And I just took his stories, reposted them, and did affiliate marketing with them, right? And you can also do just black stories. Even today, I don't really like showing myself on Instagram. I do it, but I don't really like to grab my phone and record stories hey, I'm doing this and this and this. I often do just black stories where I write stuff on, or I do stories where I just take a picture and then write something on, but I don't all the time show myself. Even one of my students, right? He did a coaching call with me in 2018, I think. Yeah, it was 2018, a few months before the summer of 2018. He did a coaching call with me, and before that he had no idea what he should do with Instagram, right? I helped him one-on-one, I helped him, I gave him all the strategies and everything, and he started his Instagram account, and within 1 week, we already talked about him in the last video, within 1 week, he got 1,000 followers, and he also made $400, and all that without showing himself. Now he has, his Instagram account is Billionaire Brain Club, okay? Now he has over 200,000 followers, it's crazy, right? So you can check him out, amazing success story, he makes good money from his Instagram account, and that's just totally amazing to see. Then, look, those are the first 2 false beliefs that so many people have about Instagram, right? Third false belief that people have, okay, is, oh, I need previous experience. Wrong, you don't need any previous experience, right? Because you get everything here inside the Instagram University 3.0, everything. And some people think, okay, if I do coaching calls, if I do one-on-one mentorings, I need experience, I need a degree or something, but that's wrong. Okay, if you do one-on-one mentorings, if you do coaching calls, if you sell a product, you just need to be 1 step ahead of the people who buy your product. Because if you're 1 step ahead, they can learn something from you, right? You can help them. Okay, so that's definitely false beliefs. Don't have that one. If you think you don't have enough experience, first of all, you will get everything here inside Instagram University. You will have the 1% strategies that no one talks about. And reason number 4 is this is pretty interesting, because until 1 year ago, I thought that I needed thousands of followers to make money with Instagram. But the thing is, you can even make money with Instagram without having any followers. And by the way, we will talk about that also in the free training that we have. In the members area on the top, you can see a blue button where you can sign up for a free training. And we talk about how you can make money with 0 followers, but even without having thousands of followers, you can make a lot of money. Me and the business partner, at the beginning of 2019, I already told you, I started a project with a business partner. And with it, we generated over $1 million in sales. And at that point, he had less than 15,000 followers. And if you do the math, then with 1 follower per each and every single follower that he has or had, that he still has, we made over $66. Okay, so if you do the math, I can just I will just type in what's I just wanted to type in the English word, but calculator is it? Okay, so we will calculate 66 multiplied with 15,000, right? That's $990,000 in that example, right? And we generated over $1 million in sales in 45 days with less than 15,000 followers. And that's just totally amazing to see. Because if you have 1,000 followers, or let's say you have 1.5 thousand followers, And if you can make $66 for each and every single one of these followers, then you can already make $100,000, okay? And the reason how it works is you have to turn your followers into true fans. And we will also talk about that inside the Instagram University 3.0. We have that module, brand building secrets or branding secrets. And in it we talk about how you can turn your followers into true fans and how you can then make lots of money with it, okay? So those are the 3 false beliefs that I don't want you to have. Because trust me, if you have a false belief about Instagram, if you're right now thinking, is this going to work for me? Then trust me, it will not work for you. Because your brain will subconsciously think, oh, this will not work. And then you will not do the right steps, you will not take action, okay? So you to 100% have to believe into this opportunity. You just have to follow the stuff that I teach you, because the system and everything that I'm giving you here inside the Instagram University 3.0, it works. It's proven. It works for me, my students, my business partners. We used to generate over $6 million in sales in the last few years, and it will work for you. You just have to follow it without like thinking, is this gonna work for me or not, right? Okay. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. I just wanted to remove all your false beliefs so you can get started without like thinking, is this going to work for me or not? Because if you think about it like that, then it will probably not work for you. Like, sure, it's normal that you have like some beliefs. How does this work? How does this work? Is this right? No problem. Like once you make your first $1,000 online, you will see that everything is possible. And you will have that experience here inside the Instagram University 3.0. Because I'm giving you the exact blueprint that you can use to easily make $1,000 with your Instagram account, right? But I now just wanted to remove these false beliefs. I wanted to show you what's possible with Instagram, because Instagram is the hottest social media platform, and building a following is the key to making money online. Because just look at all the influencers who make tens of thousands of dollars each and every single month. Look at me. All these influencers have one thing in common. They all have a following, okay? They all sell something, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. And in the next one, we will talk about the preparation when it comes to like starting your Instagram business and your Instagram account, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, if you have any questions about something, then feel free to ask me. And yeah, that's it for the video.